Okay, this is a quick video tutorial to show angry flappers, but with deleting the pipes. Okay, so if you look at the game as per normal, let's click on play and see what happens. I'll click on there and see that our little bird goes through pipe after pipe after pipe. If I click on pause, let's see what happens. Click on the scene view, you can see that the pipes don't get deleted. So part of my journey into learning more about uFrame was to figure out, well, what can I do about this? How can I fix that? Okay, so let's just let the bird die, stop there, and go on to my project, which is aFlappers. Okay, and let's see what happens here when I click on play. Click on play. Obviously, I've got my menu there. Click on that. You can see that as soon as the pipe gets to the far left of the screen, we can see the pipe is just deleted out of view. Okay, so if I click on the scene view, you can see there's only one pipe there. And if I look at this over here, it's probably easy to see there's only one pipe there. Let's play it again and just see what's happening there on the left hand side. You can see that the clone is instantiating over here and then deleting once it moves out of view. So just wanted a quick run through into what did I do, what did I need to do in order to achieve that, in case it helps somebody out there. First thing is go to the elements diagram, and what I did for the pipe was I added a command here. So next to the past, I added a MovedOffScreen command. Okay, once I did that, I was able to click Save and Compile, and then that created the necessary code in C# that I could have a quick look at. Okay, so I want to develop, and over here, okay, right next to the past method, I overrode the MovedOffScreen method, and in a similar way, so the function is very, very simple. So what happens when the pipe is moved off screen? Okay, and that's handled by, in this case, the controller. So what we needed to do was to take that pipe and somehow get access to that collection, okay, that's been set up in the game view or in the game model, and then remove the pipe. I wasn't quite sure exactly how to do that, so I had a look at where it was instantiated in the first place. So click on the game controller, and this is where the spawn pipe is set up. You can see this particular line here shows how to add a new pipe view model. So what we needed to do was, to go back to controller, is basically remove that. Okay, so it's taking a collection and removing this particular pipe. Okay, so this is handled by our controller here. But obviously now we needed something to call that. Okay, so what calls that is the pipe view. So in the update loop, okay, I've extended it over here, just a few lines of code. So in this case, it checks the transform position, and if it's less than -6, then it simply executes the MovedOffScreen method. Okay, so that is just handled automatically, and it's the same place as the execute past method, but just reviewing that, it calls the controller, execute MovedOffScreen, and you know, it's pretty straightforward and simple to add. So that again is just a very simple learning exercise that hopefully somebody finds useful. Okay.